Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a company that's trying on a new name, like a superhero changing into their alter ego. We will see if this change is just cosmetic or if it signals something deeper. Said before we get started, if you appreciate having company filings made simple, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also join our Discord community. The link is in the description below for more behind the scenes action. We are looking at a Form 8K filed by Kindly MD Incorporated. This is basically a current report companies file to announce big news to investors. Think of it as a corporate bat signal. This report is dated May 20, 2025. That's the date of the earliest event they are reporting. The company in question is Kindly MD Incorporated. They are registered with the SEC under file number 001-42103 and their tax ID is 84-382-9824. Their main office is located in Salt Lake City, Utah with the zip code 84117 if you want to call them. The area code is 3824. Their main office is located in Salt Lake City, Utah with the zip code 84187 if you want to call them. The area code is 395 and the number is 385 and the number is 388-8822-85 and the number is 388-8822-. Looks like they have registered their securities, which include common stock, with a par value of a $0.0011. That's a tiny fraction of a cent. Also, they have tradable warrants to purchase shares of common stock, also with a par value of $0 on fund per share. The stock is under the trading symbol CLOLI, and the warrants are CADOLIO $0.01 per share. The stock is under the trading symbol CLOBLI, and the warrants are COLA, and they are listed as an emerging growth company. This means they get a bit of a break on some of the stricter accounting rules for a while. Here's where the fun begins. Item 8.1 is where they disclose other important events. On May 12, 2025, Kindly MD Incorporated entered into an agreement to merge with Nakamoto Holdings Incorporated. Think of it like this. Kindly is planning to become Nakamoto. To do this, they created Kindly Holdco Corp, a subsidiary or mini company fully owned by Kindly. This mini company merger sub will merge with Nakamoto. Nakamoto will survive the merger and become a wholly owned subsidiary of Kindly. They filed a certificate of assumed name with the state of Utah. Basically, this allows Kindly to do business under the name Nakamoto. It's like a company alias. This went into effect on May 20, 2025, so they can operate as Nakamoto while still being Kindly MD Incorporated. Because of the merger, Kindly is changing its ticker symbols on the Nasdaq. The ticker CAD for the common stock will change to NACA. This change became effective on May 23, 2025. The company even issued a press release on May 23, 2025 to announce the ticker change. This is pretty standard to keep investors informed. The stock and warrant will still be listed and traded on Nasdaq, just under the new Nikkei and Enako tickers. The P numbers, which are like serial numbers for securities, will stay the same. Importantly, the ticker change doesn't affect the company's capital structure, the rights of the people who own the securities, or the company rules. It's just a name change on the stock exchange. They are clarifying that this information isn't officially filed in the legal sense unless they specifically say so in another filing. This is a bit of legal protection. Item 9.01 lists the exhibits, which are extra documents attached to the report. Exhibit 99.1 is the press release about the ticker symbol change, dated May 23rd, 2025 keyed. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Kindly MD is essentially rebranding as Nakamoto, which is the company they are merging with, changing ticker symbols as part of that process, making it easier for investors to recognize the new entity. The company is hoping this merger and name change will lead to better recognition and potentially a higher stock value. This could signal that Kindly believes the Nakamoto brand or business brings more value than their current identity. However, there is always a risk. Mergers can be complex and sometimes don't deliver the expected benefits. Integrating two different companies can be challenging, and there's no guarantee that the market will respond positively to the name change. In theory, the ticker change should be a neutral event, but branding is not always rational. Sometimes new names attract new people and with it new opportunities. However, in other cases it leads to losses, with more often than not the reason being a poor offering of the company itself. In conclusion, Kindly MD Incorporated is betting on a new identity to boost its prospects. It will be interesting to watch how this plays out and whether the market embraces the new Nake ticker. What do you think about this rebrand and merger? Is it a smart move or a risky gamble? Let me know in the comments. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more corporate insights. Don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for more discussions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.